Today we are going to adjust our sensitivity in training graph for TPP players. So actually there are four types of sensitivity. First is camera sensitivity free look, that is this I button, the sensitivity of this button. Second is camera sensitivity for aiming your cursor like this. So you will find that you can show in the setting. That's the first one, camera sensitivity free look, that you don't have to adjust. Whatever it is, just put like that. So first of all, in overall you have to first adjust to high setting. After that only you have to change your setting. So we'll go to the second camera setting. Camera setting means from where you aiming, that's all it is. So there is third person, first person, red dot, 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x and 8x. Third person means like this, TPP. Too much sound here, sorry for the disturbance, can't kill them also. So this is TPP, third person camera view, and this is FPP, first person camera view. That's all. If you are a FPP player, then you have to adjust the FPP setting. If you are a TPP player, then you have to adjust the TPP setting. So now we'll go to the next one. Red dot, 2 scope, 3 scope, 4. Okay. So first red dot. So first you go to here and take whichever gun you're most likely using. Most people are prone to use AKM as well as M4. So I took both of these guns. Just use any attachment you want, external mag. External mag. Here suppressor is not that good because it doesn't reduce any recoil. So either you have to use flash slider or compensator. I would recommend compensator, but if you don't have, then flash slider is also okay. So 2 compensator, 1 stock. So the best this thing is vertical 4. I use vertical 4, but you can use whatever you want. Level 3 vest and all, bag I took to get the ammo. Okay, now we'll go to scopes, get all the ammo. So now we have here red dot, hollow, 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x, 8x. So now we'll go try to change our setting. So basically red dot means, in camera setting, red dot setting means like how fast you can move your camera from one target to another target. Okay, means how much movement you have to use from your thumb. Okay, so if you put the sensitivity, red dot sensitivity very low, then the movement is very hard. Okay, I have to change again and again to get, I am pressing my thumb again and again to get where I want to go to change the target. Okay, so it was in 60, so I will prefer 60 only. And first of all, you just can't copy anyone's sensitivity. Okay, you have to get your own sensitivity. Just scope it and try to go from one distinct to another, by one press of thumb. Okay, If it's getting too much, then your sensitivity is too much, so you have to adjust it. Okay, third person camera, adjust is 50%, 50 47. Okay, so scope it, and you see you're going wherever your target is. Okay, so like that you have to do for every scope, 4x also. So if you're moving it and is going out of this thing, then that means your sensitivity is high. So try to change the sensitivity. See, I'm coming directly to the target. Okay, so it's okay for me. So just change the sensitivity. If with one thumb movement you are not reaching your required target. Okay, then second of all, after that comes ADS sensitivity, aim down sight. Aim down sight is nothing but when you're shooting somewhere, see the recoil, it is going up. Okay, so what you normally do, everyone do, is we use our right thumb to press down while shooting, right, so that it stays in one place. See, I'm using the 3x scope for spraying while using my thumb to hold it, but my spray is not that good. Okay, so if after some time still it's going up like this, so what you have to do, go to ADS sensitivity. I was using 3x, so just adjust, increase the sensitivity of 3x. Oh, not 300. Okay, we adjusted to 50. It was already 44. So now I will shoot. Sorry. Now I will shoot. See, my sprayer not going upward. Okay, so that's mean like that you have to adjust for every type of scope. 3x, 4x, 6x also. Everyone nowadays using 6x for M4. So see, my this thing is going up, so I'll change my sensitivity 6x, little more, 14, 20. Okay, so I'm going there to get some more ammo. Okay, so now I'll shoot here. Still my sensitivity is not correct because still is going up, so I say 30. See, now I can shoot correctly. And first of all, wherever you are shooting, just try to use this cursor, that blue mark you can see dot. You dot, just put it on head and scope it, so it will directly go there. Okay, so try to keep that blue or wherever you want to target your fire. Okay, like this. Most probably I would tell you to use the spray when you are inside 200 meter, 300 meter, like that. Don't use for high, because that is going, your most of the bullets are going to be go waste and not going to hit the target as well. And the next one is gyro sensitivity. As I'm ADS player, I never used gyro in my life, so I'm not going to show it on this video, but hopefully I'm going to learn it, and if possible I can show it in the next video. Okay, thank you guys for subscribing my channel. All the best, good luck to your PUBG playing experience.